Hey you guys, Joe here. Welcome. Today I'm going to show you my epic fail with my carrots. This is the second time I grow them, and the first time it went fine. Lovely. They came out. It was so nice. This time, I think a couple things went wrong. I planted these in February. It's July, and they're still not good. I've been taking them out here and there, but they're bitter. They have like roots coming out from them. I think they didn't have enough water. Anyway, I want to pull them out, and as I'm pulling them out, I'll let you know what I think went wrong. But you can also chime in and let me know what you think went wrong. And let me know what I could do better next time. All right, let's do this. All right, this one is my onion. Sorry it was in my face when I was recording. I was letting it go to seed, but then it accidentally broke. And the seeds are actually in the green pods. Let me show you. Let's see. And actually, I think I might get seeds out of it. Ah! I lost them. Those are seeds. That's why I was letting that one hang out right there. Anyway, let me pull some of these carrots, that way you could see what I'm talking about. See, they're tiny. They've been here for months and months, and they're still so tiny. And they have a lot of roots on them, like roots growing from the carrot. So I'm thinking it didn't have enough water. I have this drip tape, but I don't know. I don't think they were getting enough water. Right now they're wet and the dirt's wet because it rained last night. But main problem was, I think, water. And then the heat came too fast. The heat came too fast and they just got bitter with the heat, you know? I'm gonna show you. See, tiny. Too many roots, and I've tasted them and they're super bitter, so not the best. Anyway, I'm gonna pull them all out before I get a disease up in this bed, and I'm gonna fill it with, I'm gonna put compost. I also might have put them too close together, maybe. Look, this one's big. I think what went wrong also was that I planted these carrots right after harvesting my first set of carrots, which might have depleted the soil of nutrients it needed. So I'm going to be adding like 2 to 3 inches of compost. All right, all done. Been pulled. Some look pretty good. Good size, but like I'm telling you, they're pretty bitter. So let me clean them up. Take a bite out of all of them and then put them in the compost. Oh, guess what I found? A bunch of these guys. A lot. And I think they're cabbage loopers, but I don't have any type of brassicas in this garden bed, so I'm not too sure why they're here. Well, I do have a lot of birds in my yard, so I'm hoping they come this way to eat them. If not, I guess I'll hand pick them off for the next couple weeks and feed it to them, and then I'll add compost. Y'all, I have roly-polies also, or I think these are soul bugs. They're pretty similar. And these tend to eat like the matter that's decaying anyway, so they're kind of good for the garden. Unless you have too many of them, then you want to start picking them off. And that concludes this episode of what went wrong in my garden. I emptied it out. This is rosemary. I put a bag on the onion, on my other onion, so it could catch those seeds that I told you about. And I just wanted to show off my bell pepper that is growing nicely. And this one I don't think has any bell peppers yet. It's 2 different varieties. And I had cilantro over here, and the cilantro actually helps with the cabbage loopers actually, but since I removed it, it dried out, and I removed it. It went to seed. I let it dry out and then I removed it. And this is micro clover, and these are more carrots that I'm growing. But yes, I will try to thin them out now. Like this one's too close to this one, so I'll remove it. It just hurts to remove them. Anyway, they're just there, see? I planted them all over and they're not even growing. Anyway, I'm gonna fill it with compost and I will keep y'all posted. Make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.